Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Enlighten Path. In this video, I will give you all the details of the CUCET. Now, what is the full form of CUCET? Central University Common Entrance Test. So it is a common test conducted by NTA National Test Agency in CBT form, that is a computer based test pursuing the admission in Central University. It is for both undergraduation and post graduation courses. So now in the recent letter of UGC, all 45 central universities including Delhi University, JNU, BHU, etc. will give admission through CUCET for session 2022. Now it is very important to clear that CUCET is not for the private universities or the state universities. For example, in your city there may be a state university, so no exam, CUCET exam is mandatory. It is only mandatory for taking the admission in the central universities, for example Delhi University. Now let's understand the detail and structure of this CUCET, because in many of the articles in the internet and the YouTube channel, they have misguided, because whole structure of CUCET is divided into two parts. First part is for the science stream and the another part is for the commerce and humanities stream. So in most of the videos and the articles, only science stream structure thing is explained, but not the commerce and humanities structure. So first understand the science stream structure. In this there is a part A. In part A there is a 25 MCQs, and the syllabus is English, numerical aptitude, data interpretation and analytical skills, reasoning, journal awareness. And the part B consists of 75 MCQs, so total marks is of 100. And yeah, part B is a subject specific exam. For example, you are going for the specifically for the mathematics subject, so mathematics subjects question will be asked in the part B. For the physics, only physics questions will be asked in the part B. So it is a subject specific exam, and the exam duration is of 2 hours, and it is a computer based exam. That means you have to go to the center and there will be a computer and there you have to give the exam. Now this is for the science stream, and this exam duration, firstly it was told 3 hours, but because of the COVID situation it was decreased to 2 hours. Now for the commerce and humanities stream, the structure is such like that there will be only one test paper. Okay, there will be no part A, no part B, there is only one part. And the syllabus is like English, numerical aptitude, data interpretation, analytical skills, reasoning, journal aptitude, journal knowledge, and the total marks will be of 100. Exam duration again 2 hours, and it is also a computer based exam. So this is most important, that for the commerce and humanities, what is the structure. And I'm taking you to the official site of the CUCET, and there I will show you that how the syllabus is defined, because always believe on the official site notices only. Now this is the official site of the CUCET, and here you can see the syllabus of UG. Click on it, and now the syllabus is opened in front of you. So here you can see very clearly it is given that entrance test for the courses, like you can read it out, all these courses. So these all are science stream courses, and specifically they have given all the syllabus here in this PDF. I'll be putting the link of this PDF down in the description box, so you can check out from there, and they have given the syllabus in the detailed way. All right, you can check it out. And for the humanities and the commerce stream courses, for example, you can see here BBA, all right, and integrated BBA, LLB. So all these courses related to commerce stream and the arts stream, they have defined the syllabus here. Now let's understand what will be the weightage of CUCET exam in the admission in central universities. So it's totally depend on the central universities. For example, let's say Delhi University has decided that 80% marks of the CUCET will be considered and 20 from the 12th class percentage, that is a merit base. So different central universities would take a different weightage of CUCET in their admission procedure. So it totally depend upon the universities, but yes, the majority marks will be considered from the CUCET exams only on your admission. So this is a quick update on the CUCET. I'll be uploading further video on the update on this CUCET topic. So subscribe my channel for the further details. I have also made a Delhi University based video in which Delhi University has also announced the entrance exams. So do check that video and please like and share this video. Till then, bye bye.